Hi everyone, welcome to Raaonline. I'm Dr. Ashok, Assistant Professor of Microbiology. So today we are going to deal with one of the most common infection which is seen in our Indian setup, that is the Neurocysticercosis. So Neurocysticercosis is nothing but the tinea infection. So it belongs to the cystode and it is going to infect the central nervous system where it is going to produce a cyst in the various form. So it is most of the time it's going to be the brain parenchyma, or other regions are going to be the ventricles or any other site in the central nervous system. So we will go in brief about this particular infection. So what is a neurocysticercosis? So neurocysticercosis is a condition which is going to affect the central nervous system, which is going to be caused by the larval stage of the tapeworm. So especially the tinea solium, it's going to produce this particular neurocysticercosis. So whenever we are going to study about tinea infection, there are two species which is going to cause infections in human. So first is going to be the tinea solium and another is going to be the tinea saginata. So tinea solium, it's due to it's a pork tapeworm, and the tinea saginata is going to be the beef tapeworm. So most of the time we are going to get the neurocysticercosis mainly due to tinea solium. So tinea solium comes under the group of cystode. So whenever we study about parasitology, we have protozoa and helminth. Under helminth we have cystode, trematode and nematode. So under cystode, we are going to study about various cystode like Echinococcus granulosus, and we have the tinea solium, we have tinea saginata, and we have Hymenolopus nana, Diphyllobothrium and Diplydium canidum. So today we are going to study about tinea solium, which is going to cause the neurocysticercosis in human. So what is the infective form of this particular parasite? So the infective form is going to be the egg of tinea. So we are going to ingest this particular egg of tinea. It could be due to improperly cooked meat which is derived from the pork, and it can also occur due to the contaminated vegetable. So if you are not going to wash the green leafy vegetable well, it could lead to the infection. So this particular green leafy vegetable could have contaminated by the egg of tinea, and again it can cause the infection. So the mode of infection is going to be the ingestion, and the infective form is going to be the tinea egg, so which is going to be the infective form. Now moving to the pathogenesis. So here we are going to ingest the embryonated egg of tinea. So here we are going to ingest the embryonated egg of tinea through contaminated food and water. So what is going to happen is that once the particular egg containing the embryos reach the stomach, it's going to escape the stomach and it is going to reach the intestine. So in the intestine, the embryos are going to set free. So once the embryos are going to set free, this particular embryo will penetrate the intestinal lining, and after penetrating the intestinal lining, it is going to reach the venous circulation. And after reaching the venous circulation, is going to go to various parts of our body like muscles and other organs like eyes, brain, where it is going to produce a cyst. Inside the cyst, the particular organism is going to live. So that is about the pathogenesis. So now you know which is the source of infection and what is the most common transmission, how the transmission is going to happen, and you also know about the risk factor associated with this particular thing. So here most of the time it is going to the ingestion of contaminated pork meat.